mina ngihlula mase ngithi black ayisadakwana yini kanti idakwana i-black.
Yeah, for real, bro. It goes back to that thing they said, like the alcohol that we are getting now no longer hates like the alcohol. Like alcohol we're getting now is fake actually. So that goes in well with what they're saying actually. This alcohol we getting now, bro. It's bad, bro.
bathambisile abafana abakhandayo
Ushoni mase ikesa
No, bro, sympathize with her, but by the time we see, I find out inside. Y'all niggas are going soft, bro. I know my cock is crying. By the time we see, I find out inside. I can feel the pain in her voice, bro. By the time we see, I find out inside.
bathambisile abafana abakhandayo
ushoni mase ikesa nisalizwa
hawu ike siyadeli yini sila ngaka akukho lutho lento
hayi cha kusho ukuthi niyaphuza ke wogogo.
Yo, bro, that's crazy, bro.
Mina
That's crazy business, bro. No ways. That's crazy. Not about this spitting facts, though. That's true, bro. Alcohol we getting now is fake, bro. It's fake. That shit no longer hits, bro. You need to drink more to get drunk. So it's all a game now. We get.